Growth mindset. Using fear to change your mindset. A person with a fixed mindset is more interested in looking smart than with learning. When you want to look smart, you are fearful of looking stupid. This likely stems from a feeling of rejection or ridicule from experiences in childhood. Events that were stored in your unconscious mind, but that you probably don't remember. If you're able to access the part of you that had those experiences and feel them now, I believe you will naturally weaken the underpinning behind your fixed mindset. It may dissolve on its own. When we operate from a fixed mindset, we avoid trying new things, resist learning, stall our development, and act lazy. Yes, laziness stems from fear. These are all signs of neurotic fear. A fixed mindset is simply another context for describing our resistance to self-mastery. Another way to complement your mindset training is to become aware of the fear driving your behavior. Welcome this fear. Realize it has no basis in your present reality. And then let it go. Stay tuned. Happy learning.